Good morning, students. Today we will see second chapter, real numbers. In last lecture we have seen practice set 2.3, and in between your first unit test is over. Now rationalizing the denominator by using binomial quadratic surd. What do you mean by binomial quadratic surd? The surd of the type 3 root 2 minus 5 root 6 is called a binomial surd. There are two terms, first term and second term, and in between plus or minus sign is there. So this type of surds are called binomial surd. Another example of binomial surd is root 3 plus root 5 is another example of binomial surd. Now, while rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply the given example, we have to multiply by the complex conjugate pair of the denominator. While seeing the example, solving the examples, you will get this. See practice set 2.4, first example, multiply. While multiplying, we have to multiply the term outside the bracket to the terms inside each term inside the bracket. See, we have to multiply by root 3 to root 7, then minus sign root 3 into root 3. So first we multiply root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. Now multiplication of these two terms, order is same, so root 21 and this is root 3 into 3, 9. Root 9 we can write it as 3 because we know that square root of 9 is 3, and in this way we can multiply. Second is the same example. Third we will take. Third example, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into another bracket 4 root 3 minus 2 minus root 2. So first term 3 root 2 multiply by this first term by the second bracket. So I will write 3 root 2 inside the bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. Then minus sign is there, and by root 3 we have to multiply this bracket by root 3. Now, like first example, we have to multiply each and every term by this outside term. So 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into root 2 minus, now multiply by root 3 with 4 root 3, root 3 into root 2, minus minus plus will be there. Now write down the product. While writing the product, multiply this 3 outside the square root sign, the number is 3 and here the number is 4, so multiplication is 3 into 4, 12. Square root of 2 into square root of 3, order is so same, so its multiplication is root 6. 3 into this root 2 into root 2, root 4, minus this 4 into root 3 into root 3, that is root 9, plus root 6. Now write these similar terms side by side. Remaining terms, this 3 into root 4 that is 2 minus 4 into root 9 that is 3. So 12 root 6 minus plus root 6 will be 13 root 6. 3 into 2 6, 4 into 3 12, and 6 and minus 12 will be minus 18. So this will be the answer. So multiply by each and every term by outside term, and by taking similar factors near, we can add these two terms 12 root 6 and plus root 6, and then this product you have to do in this way. You have to multiply given numbers. In second example, we have to rationalize the denominator. Similar example we have seen in practice set 2.3, but in practice set 2.3, in denominator there is a single term. Now in denominator, if there is a binomial quadratic surd, then how to rationalize the denominator? See question number 2. In first example, I have already told that to rationalize the denominator, if it is in the form of binomial quadratic surd, we have to multiply and divide by the complex conjugate number of the denominator. In first example, root 7 plus root 2 is there in the denominator, so we have to multiply and divide by root 7 minus root 2. Complex conjugate pair of this root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. In second example, we will see 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. What is the conjugate pair of this number? The conjugate pair of this number is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So multiply and divide by conjugate number or conjugate pair of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, that is complex conjugate pair is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So we have to multiply and divide by this number. So write down firstly the given 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Complex conjugate number of this is plus sign is there, here minus sign, so plus 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. In numerator, there is multiplication of these two numbers 3 into 2, that is 6 root 5 plus 3 into 3, that is 9 root 2. In denominator, same terms are there, only there is sign change. Here there is plus sign in between the similar terms, and here there is minus sign. So we know that formula for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So suppose this is the number a and this is the number b. So what is the product of these two brackets? It will be a square, that is 2 root 5 square. minus b square, that is 3 root 2 square. Now see, in numerator 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2. So 6 and 9, there is common factor which is 3. So what remains in the bracket? 3 to the 6, so 2 root 5. 3 3s are 9, so 3 into 3 to root 2. We have take 3 common, so what will remain here? 2 root 5. 3 common, so 3 root 2. And this is a square, so the square of 2 is 4. Square of root 5 is 5. Minus square of 3 is 9 into root 2 square is 2. So 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 20 minus 18. And this 20 minus 18 will be 2, and there is no irrational number or surd in the denominator now. So we have rationalized the denominator by multiplying conjugate pair of the denominator. Similarly, you can solve third and fourth example. You have to multiply by complex conjugate number of 7 plus 4 root 3, that is 7 minus 4 root 3. And in second example, fourth example, root 5 plus root 3, complex pair is conjugate pair is root 5 minus root 3. In similar manner, you have to solve these 3 examples as a homework, and in next time we will see practice set 2.5.